Use special days of the year to make extra cash. So what do I mean with that? Easy. There is Christmas, there is Boxing Day, there is Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and you get it. There are those days of the year where you can really make a lot of sales, where you can basically sell anything and make extra cash. But you need to prepare for that. So whether it's Cyber Monday or Black Friday, which are most probably the best days of the year to sell, you need to be prepared. If you really create handmade products and you are doing some sewing, so be prepared that on these days people are buying like crazy, and then you maybe have a problem if you have to ship everything and you haven't even got it done. So if you are selling digital products on these days, it's no big deal. If you sell 1 or 50, it doesn't matter, but be sure to prepare for that event upfront. And you need to keep these days in mind. There are most probably many other days which will increase shopping over the year. For example, when there is summer, there will be vacation-related products which are selling much better during those time period, of course. So be sure you know your products and figure which products sell better on which times. So if you are selling, let's say you're selling sun cream, it won't sell in winter, normal, right? So make sure you have prepared your products, you have stocked up your products, or you even have stocked up your material to create this product. So whatever you've done, it's a good idea to be prepared for these days and make some extra cash. And then when you are at that point, you also need to make sure that you have advertised, or that you are advertising your products well. Once again, I can tell you, use later.com, because that helps you to schedule all your newsletter, all your social media announcements. It's a good thing to be prepared for that as well. So it's much less stress if you can schedule all your social media updates upfront for Black Friday and for Cyber Monday, and basically for the whole weekend, than doing it on that day, because it will be stressful, right? So make sure you are prepared. Use these tools. I will put a link in the info box. So later.com is a good address to go to. And yeah, then you can definitely handle all these extra sales which come in.